friend here. He's from Hong Kong all the way. Right. What's your name?
My name is David.
David. All right, David. So how long have you been here?
Actually, it's just my second day.
Oh, your second day in Lahore or in Pakistan?
In Pakistan. I arrived Lahore yesterday.
Oh, you arrived Lahore yesterday. And what was the reason you came here for? Like for tourist purpose, or you invited by some friend on a wedding or something?
For tourists.
All right. Okay.
I just happened to come here because there's a wedding here.
Oh, there's a wedding here. So that's
my first time to see a Pakistani wedding.
Okay, and how are you feeling?
I feel like amazing. Like they have a big group of friends, family, and everyone was so happy. I like the atmosphere. Okay. I like the ceremony. I like everything.
Right. Yeah. Okay, and the weather. What do you think about the weather now? Is it like it's winter here almost outside? How's the weather in Hong Kong back there?
I think Hong Kong is quite cold. I think in Hong Kong the weather is similar to here.
Okay.
But I heard that like Lahore right now is the best time. So the weather is chill and it's not hot and it's not that cold.
So you like the weather as well?
Yeah.
And have you tried any desi food?
I'm
sorry.
Yes, I like the food. I tried it. I like the chicken kalahi.
Oh, chicken curry, right? Okay.
Yeah, chicken
right.
kalahi.
So you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed
it.
it.
But was it spicy for you, or do you think like what about Hong Kong food? Like are they spicy like this, or are they different?
For traditional Hong Kong food, we don't have that spicy.
Right. Okay.
But you know, Hong Kong is a big city, and we have different country
flavors, of course.
So I ate a lot of Thai food.
Oh, right. Okay.
Other country food. So they have spicy Korean food. I can eat quite spicy.
Oh, okay. So how long are you here for now?
This is my second day, but I will be here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, and you plan to stay in Lahore only for 2 weeks, or you plan to go to Islamabad? It's the capital city, as you know.
Actually, maybe I'm going to Islamabad in 2 days.
Okay.
And then I'll go to the west, go to Peshawar.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
And then later I will go south to visit the.
So do you have any friends in Pakistan, or you just like just came just on without any friends, or like do you have anyone that you know here?
Friends.
You already made some friends.
Yeah,
right?
and I think I believe after I finish my Pakistani trip, I'll be a lot of friends.
You make a lot of friends. How do you find Pakistan? Are they welcoming? They're treating you good, and what do you suggest?
It's so welcoming.
Right. So everybody, yes, welcoming you with open hearts and right.
Talk to me and then over help.
Right. Okay. So they guided you if in anything that you needed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So would you like recommend other people from Hong Kong to come and visit Pakistan?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All right. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Hey guys, we got Larissa here, and she's again from Brazil, and she's been here for like about 7-8 days.
Yes.
Okay. About a week almost, right? And she's again here on a wedding too. I think most of the people have. But the other guy, he's also on a wedding. I think so.
Yes.
People mostly on weddings there. So, what do you think about Pakistan and people? So, just tell in your words.
Well, I'm feeling very welcomed in Pakistan. I think people treat us very nicely. I feel the hospitality everywhere. I think one of the differences is maybe the size of Brazilian people are very outspoken and also like a very
very open, you would say. Yes.
Open and speaking with their hands and maybe touching and hugging.
Yes, they use body language. That's what I've heard. Mostly from Brazil. Yes,
body language, and it's maybe more common to touch other people. So,
yes, exactly.
I think that sometimes I have to control myself not to be like too touchy or like too close to everybody, because I think in Pakistan they have more respect for maybe your personal space.
They're more reserved for their personal space. Exactly.
Maybe that's one big difference. I think everybody was very curious about the hair color of my son. He has red hair, so everybody asked him to take a picture with him. So it's they seem to be very happy that we are here, and also curious with us and maybe the eye color or whatever. But they just seem to be very curious about ourselves. Yeah.
So and did you try the food, the local food? How did you find the food?
Oh yes, I love the local food. Yes, I love curry in general, and I love mouton, and I love the butter chicken.
Okay. So, you tried all of them?
Yeah.
And how different do you think is it from Brazil food, or like is
it's definitely more spicy.
It's more spicy here.
It's more spicy, and in general, more spices are used in the preparation. So I think there's a big difference. But very, very tasty. And in Brazil, we also eat a lot of barbecued meat.
All right. Okay.
So maybe that's a little bit of a different style, but we like it very much.
Okay. And the weather, is it like the same, or?
The weather has been great. It's much colder here than it would be in Brazil, but I still expected it to be colder. Like it's not that cold today, like 19, 15, so that we get the same kind of temperature in Brazil.
Oh, okay, you do. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And have you visited other places besides Lahore?
Islamabad. We were in Islamabad for a day and a half.
All right.
And it was a great experience as well. We got to see the Saidpur village.
Oh, all right.
And Islamabad is a planned city, so our city in Brazil is Brasilia. It's also a planned city.
Brasilia. Oh, okay, you're from Brasilia, guys. Oh, all right. Okay, not like from Rio or Sao Paulo, right?
I am from Rio.
Oh,
I'm from Sao Paulo. I lived in both. But,
oh, right. Okay.
I currently live in Brasilia for the last 5 years, so that's why it kind of compares to Islamabad.
Oh, okay. So would you recommend Brazilian people to come here?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, I think they should. I think we don't know enough about Pakistan and Brazil. We don't learn enough to know how much we can consider it as a tourist destination. So I'll definitely inform people more about that.
All right. So you would recommend Brazilian people to come to Pakistan and enjoy the culture and definitely.
Definitely, yes.
Right. Thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you guys. Likewise. Do you want to come inside? No. All right, okay. I thought you want to. Oh, we're vlogging. This is the Canon G7X Mark II 5. Hey. Alright guys, now अभी हम finally बाहर निकल आए हैं और it was amazing trip. I think आप वीडियो में देख सकेंगे. Okay. फिर मुझे बताइएगा सही रहा गलत रहा. Anyways, first experience है तो भाइयों के साथ फूड स्ट्रीट जा रहे हैं. Okay, ये कह रहे हैं फूड स्ट्रीट जाना है. Let's see वहाँ पे खाने का क्या सीन करते हैं. फूड स्ट्रीट भी आपको दिखा देते हैं आज.
छोड़ के यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? अपने आवाम के साथ.
ये इनके बारे में काफी सुना है. Now he's on my channel. आपका नाम क्या है भाई? Again the Asadullah Khan. ये जो इमरान खान की तरह दिखते हैं. ये मैं जब आया तो he was here. So there are people taking pictures and all that stuff. So let me just come inside. Okay. बहुत शुक्रिया. 30 rupees. बचपन की यादें ताज़ा हो गई. I really like it. I don't know. पापड़ बोलते हैं इसको लेकिन पाकिस्तानी पिज़्ज़ा बोल सकते हैं. शेयर करें. पापड़ के बारे में